Hi, Regina here. I have my book. I write down things that come up in my mind. I want to read something from it to you, what I do. One of my statements that I often use is that you need you to get you where you want to go. And that means that you need to take care of yourself to get anywhere. You need to get enough sleep, 8 to 9 hours sleep. You need to eat healthy food on specific set times a day when you eat and when you sleep as well. No cell phone in the bed. If you have trouble sleeping, it's because of your cell phone. You can have you need some screen-free time before you go to bed. So details like that I have in my coaching. You can find out more on my website as well. I also have blog posts there that you can read. Something else I do, I want to inspire you to get a better workday life. If you feel disappointed or miserable about your everyday job, you can change it. You can make small steps in your everyday life that can help you to change your job or make your job more fun as well. If it's not possible for you to change your job at the moment, you can plan for a better job that you would prefer. So don't waste your time being miserable. Take steps towards a better life where you feel content with yourself and your situation. It's much about mindset, how we view things. It is. So here I just want to pep talk to you and to introduce my coaching sessions I have. And also I have business educations. What else do I do? I help you to find the motivation you need and also the confidence you need to change your situation and also to map out a strategy and also your map how to reach your goals and what to do along the way as well. Your strategy. It's very important. To reach your goals in life is very exciting. And I have reached goals myself in my life that I'm very happy with. And I also enjoy doing this, inspire other people to have a happier everyday life. Not only live for the weekend, but live intentional each day. It's very important. Confidence is a really huge part of my coaching that I have. Self-confidence, self-esteem is also related to your self-confidence. If you believe that you're worthy, of course you are. But it's important that you believe that yourself. So you can boost your self-esteem, you can boost your self-confidence, because that will help you to get a lot of motivation that you believe that it's possible for you. So I really want to encourage you to make that plan, because if you have a plan, many talk about a vision board, that you have a vision board where you write down your goals and also make pictures of them so you can visualize your goals, see them and think about your goals. That is also a good way to find motivation, to talk about your goals and to view them on a vision board on your desktop, on your computer or whatever. Have your vision board there for you. It's a really good idea. And it's really possible, because if we don't take daily steps towards what we want, we will never achieve them. But daily steps is really required to reach your goals in life. And if you don't know what your goals is, you can also get help to customize a plan. We can identify what it is that would make your everyday life more joyful. So I really invite you to visit my website and also check out more of my videos. See you soon in another video. Be well.